fast cuts, living at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars and diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always got Nnenna.
Papa, you guys, look who is 6 months old today. Chidera, your Chidera, our little Chidera is 6 months old already. Like, oh my goodness. Hey God, I don't know where time is flying to. Like, in the next 6 months, he's going to be a year old. Someone pinch me. Our little baby. See, we're going to cut this your hair because the back is not, understanding the assignment, so we need to cut it off. But anyway, you guys, your boy is 6 months old and I am such a proud and happy mom. I literally remember when I gave birth to this guy, and hey God, the first few weeks, months were just me navigating life in maximum confusion and just worrying about how to give this boy the best. And honestly, it's been an amazing 6 months so far. I can't even thank God enough. You guys, after we came back to the UK, in fact, we came back to the UK on a Sunday. On Monday, I went back to work. I picked up a new appointment at work, and I remember like asking and praying God, like, if you want me to do this thing, just give me the strength, give me the wisdom, give me everything, give me the resources, to navigate through this course of motherhood and this new opportunity that you have given to me in this land. And honestly, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. I know people would have their opinion on you or me working and taking care of a newborn, but that's not what this video is for, okay? Anyway, we need to go shower baby up, okay? You guys, so I just showered him, dressed him up, fed him, and he just does stuff like immediately. Anyway, I've been planning to open an investment account for Dara. In fact, it's been a very long time I've been planning to open this investment account for him, ever since I gave birth to him. Actually, I got some financial gift of some, is it financial gift, like some gifts, money, in fact, monetary gifts, when I gave birth to him, and I promised I will use that money in a very, very wise way, which is to open an investment account for him. Obviously, it's not only the gift, I'm going to still add my own, but that was what I set that money out for, because at the end of the day, like, I'm spending so much money, not so much, like I'm spending money buying him all these toys, buying him clothes, and yeah, while they are nice, I feel like securing a future for your child is better. That's the best gift you can give to any child. Like, even me growing up, my mom actually bought us a lot of shares, myself and my siblings. She bought us a lot of shares from First Bank, Echo Bank, back then Oceanic Bank, I think even Shell, like there a lot. And one of the mistakes I made was not following up, with all these things before I left the country. But I still have, let me show you guys what I mean. Just hold on, okay? Now, this is a check from First Bank for a dividend. So dividend is like profits you make from shares. So it's not the share itself, it's like, this is how much profit you made. So let me show you, like, give you an example of, because I know some people will be like, oh, I'm abroad, or what I'm about to do now because I'm abroad, some of you cannot relate, but you can literally do this wherever you are. This is way back in Nigeria, right? Every 3 months I'm sure to get some profit from First Bank. And again, I've got like First Bank, I've got Echo Bank, I've got, my mom still really bought a lot for us. But this is money we really did not work for. Now, if as of 2014 I was getting like 10k, 15k, 8k, this is 2022, 8 years later. Imagine how much profit these guys are sending to me, every 3 to 4 months. I didn't work for them. I'm just at home. The shares are, working in their stock market. They send me my profit, and then at the end of the day, maybe tomorrow, if I go on retirement, I can sell the shares. Don't say that, oh, I'm not abroad, so I can't invest for my child. Girl, you can do that in Nigeria. This check, okay, this is a check from, see it? EcoBank, okay, the shares. I'm just at home, the shares are working. Of course, like I said, because I did not follow up, with them before I left Nigeria, they must be sending the checks now, and I'm not receiving them because I've changed my address. Or whenever I'm ready, you see these things. Whenever I'm ready, once I step my feet into Nigeria, I am going to First Bank Registrar, EcoBank. I think EcoBank have changed their names, but wherever they are now, I'm going to locate all of them and at least know how much my shares are worth, and all the dividends that I've not collected for years. Like I think for the past 8 years, I've not cashed out any of my dividends. So do your 1 and 2 and just imagine how much those shares will be worth now. So it's never too late to start. So what I want to open for Dara is actually called an ISA account. So ISA stands for Individual Savings Account. I'm going to use, the broker I want to use is called Vanguard UK. Vanguard is a very big investment firm in the United States, but luckily they are also available in Europe and Africa as well. So let me bring you guys to my computer, okay? So yeah, you go to open an account. No, you go to what we offer. Okay, so these are all the accounts. This is not sponsored by the way, okay? I'm just showing you guys the process of me doing this. Some of you may not be interested, but for those who are interested, this is just how to go through the process of opening an investment account for your child. So these are all the kind of accounts they have. So they've got the Vanguard ISA, Vanguard Junior ISA, which is what we are about to open now, Vanguard General Account, Vanguard Personal Pension, Vanguard Personal Financial Planning. So I want to open a Junior ISA for him. So Junior ISA is Junior Investment Savings account, sorry, Junior Individual Savings Account, sorry. Okay, so for UK residents only, this one. So wherever you are, you can check to see if they've got a version for you in your country. So I feel like this is the scary part of the stock market, when people tell you that you're not sure of your capital, but at the end of the day, even when the market falls, like for example what happened 2020 with the whole COVID thing, the market fell, shares value fell, but at the end of the day it's going back right up. So history has proven that shares will continue to go up, 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 up. But I mean, these disclaimers have to be made, but don't let it deter you from, doing something for your child or doing something for yourself, So anyway, I'll go ahead now to open the account, and yeah, okay. See here, it says remaining junior ISA allowance £9,000. So this is the maximum you can invest every year for your child, £9,000. 00 because I've not put anything here. So now I'm going to add investments, okay? But because I don't really know the kind of shares I want to buy for him now, I'll just put the money, okay? And I'm not putting much for now because girl, expenses here and there. So I'll just put cash, okay? I'll do a single payment and then I'll do a monthly payment as well. Come here, my love. Come here, my darling. Come here, my darling. My billionaire gang. Alright, so you guys, I've been able to open the account. So I just put the money in there. I would grow it to a certain extent before I then go ahead to invest into ETFs, index funds, and things like that. But there are over 100 different kinds of funds there, so I need to really read through, do a lot of research so that I can know the best one to invest in. Okay. tears in your eyes. You guys, he is seriously crying. Like, we gave him milk. He does not want milk. He wants this exhaust. See. Don't put pepper in your eyes, oh. Don't worry, I'll make egg. I'll make egg for you. Look at. Oh, Jacka, boy. I don't eat it.
Don't give me some.
Yeah. Hey guys, exhausted.com is my name, and I really did not do anything much today. I need to go and cook again. Because my kids are coming. I didn't even know they were still going to make it, but they just called around 6 that they're on their way. So auntie needs to head into the kitchen to prepare something. I have soup, I have stew, but it's not going to be enough, okay, for everybody. And I don't want some to eat maybe swallow, then the other ones eat rice or something. So I need to make, I don't know, what can I just make sharp that will be nice for the kids. Maybe I'll just make pasta with corned beef. And yeah, I think I'll make pasta with corned beef, but then I don't have corned beef at home. I need to okay, so before I start cooking here, I actually need to eat. Like, it's not even funny. I have fed everybody in this house apart from myself, but that's because I don't even feel hungry. But a girl has got to eat. I'll make some smoothie, yeah. So I've got mango. What should I do? Mango, apple, and okay, I'll just do basic. I might record it here. So I'll just make a smoothie for myself. Use mango, apple, and strawberry. Just something very, very simple and basic. Maybe I'll eat pasta once that is ready.
She no like it, naughty, but she got chop if you give her cuckoo.
If you follow me on Instagram, you'll be seeing, or you must have seen some of my smoothie recipe. I've kind of stopped because, girl, it's a lot of work, you know, having to come back home, take care of my child, and I'll start filming for Instagram as well, but that will move. So I'll just, that should be fine. Oat milk, I'll just strawberry, woo, mango, apple, I like to add a shot of apple cider vinegar. Oh, that's a lot. I'm too lazy to make a Nigerian meat pie. I usually buy this because this is the closest thing to Nigerian meat pie, honestly. I just burnt it because I was trying to warm it in the oven, but your girl was here vlogging and talking and forgot it. Anyway, this is what I'll be having with my smoothie, and then I'll make the pasta for the kids. Are you crying? Eh? What is it? You guys, look at my baby's tooth. Oh, can you guys see it? He wants to chew this thing. Like, this is what he wants to chew. But you can't chew. This is plastic, Papa. It's okay. Mommy's here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, come. Bia, Bia, Bia. Oh, look at your cute little tooth. Mama. Wahala, oh, wahala. If you fall, Father will not find it funny with me, oh. Eh? You've just been so in your feelings today. Hey, God, wahala. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let me just end the vlog now and attend to Dara. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. God willing. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know this vlog was kind of all over the place because my energy was down somewhere, you know, along the lines or along the course of me filming this vlog. But I hope you enjoyed the few clips I shared with you guys. Hope you always enjoy catching a glimpse, into what my life looks like, or catching a glimpse of what my life looks like on a day-to-day basis. So with that said, I'll see you guys. Why do I keep doing this? So you guys, with that said, I'll see you all in my next video, God willing. But until then, don't forget to always stay safe and stay blessed. God bless you all. Bye guys.